This customer parked his 2017 Dodge Challenger under a tree for a while, so the paint was really rough and looked horrible. We were able to remove all the soot and sap from his car. Our polishing efforts removed imperfection from his paint, while adding a rich shine prior to applying the ceramic coating. He selected Ceramic Pro Bronze Package 2 years protection. Now, he will enjoy a perfect, jaw-dropping shine for 2 years. Wow! Look at how rich the paint looks now. Simply beautiful. If your car is not protected with a ceramic coating, it should be. Like our YouTube channel and save $50 off our ceramic coating services. Give DoubleTake Auto Spa of Fremont a call, and we'll make you a happy customer, just like this one.